Inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions. This inverse trigonometric functions exercise 2.2 is one of the most important concept, the most important topic. Okay, so here the question number 1 to 4, prove the following questions. We have to prove these questions from 1 to 4. Okay, so we are going to use some particular standard formula. Okay, so here the first question is, prove 3 sine inverse x is equals to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cubed. Okay, here x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, so what is given here? So first write the given data. Okay, so here what we have to prove. Okay, what we have to prove? 3 sine inverse x is equals to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cubed. So let I am taking x is equals to sine theta. I am considering x is equal to sine theta. Okay, if we consider x is equal to sine theta, then what is LHS ma? 3 sine inverse x, right? So now this becomes 3 into sine inverse x. What is x here? So we considered x as sine theta. Okay, so that means we can replace here. We can replace here. Okay, so sine inverse gets cancelled. Okay, so we get 3 theta here. So we substituted the equation 1, x replaced with sine theta since from equation 1. Okay, so now sine inverse gets cancelled, so we are going to get the 3 theta. This is LHS value. Okay, so now I am taking the RHS here. Now I am taking the RHS. What is RHS here? RHS is sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cubed. 3x minus 4x cubed, right? Now here also, in this also, if we substitute x is equal to sine theta, then what we get, ma? Tell me what we get. Sine inverse of 3 into x. What is x here?
Sine theta.
Yes. Okay, so we are going to replace x is equal to sine theta. Okay, sine theta minus 4 into x cube. What is x cube?
Sine theta, sine cube theta.
Very good. Okay, so here we have a formula, ma. We have a formula. Okay, sine 3 theta is equals to sine 3 theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. What is sine 3 theta formula, ma? Just repeat once again. Sine 3 theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Just repeat once again, ma. Sine
3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta.
Yes, very good. Once again, sine 3 theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus
4 sine cube theta.
Yes. Okay. Now this is equals to, if we apply the formula, then we get it as sine inverse of 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, we can replace with the sine 3 theta. It is in the reverse. Okay, so that means sine 3 theta, sine inverse gets cancelled. So we get the 3 theta. Okay, what is theta here? So theta again we can replace here 3 theta. Once observe the LHS and RHS. Okay, so if you want, you can take this as equation 2 and 3. From equation 2 and 3, LHS and RHS both are equal.
Yes,
both
sir.
are equal here. Okay, therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, LHS and RHS both are equal. Okay, so hence okay, so 3 sine inverse x is equals to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. This is the required solution. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now once look at this question. This is also almost
Sir, can you
similar to
explain
the
again, sir, once?
yes, I'll explain once again. Okay, once look at this question here. Prove 3 sine inverse x is equals to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, so this is given interval. This is the interval here. Okay, so now in this let I am taking x is equal to sine theta. Why we are taking this formula, this value? The reason is we know the formula 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is equals to sine 3 theta. Based on the formula, okay, we are assuming this. Okay, now if you substitute x is equal to sine theta in the LHS, 3 into sine inverse x means 3 into sine inverse x. What is x here? X means sine theta, substituted here. Okay, now sine inverse cancel means remaining is 3 theta. This is LHS. Okay, LHS answer is 3 theta. And now we are finding the RHS, whether they are equal or not. For confirmation, we have to check with the RHS also. Now, what is RHS here? What is RHS, ma? Sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. What is RHS?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. In this also, in place of x, I am substituting the sine theta. X means replacing the sine theta. Okay, so 3x sine theta, 4x cube sine cube theta. Okay, so sine theta whole cube is nothing but sine cube theta it is. Okay, we have a formula. What is the formula? Sine 3 theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. What is the formula? This is only important formula. If you remember the formula, then it is easy. You will get the idea of substituting x is equal to sine theta. That's it. That is very simple. Okay, just repeat the formula once again, ma. So what is sine 3 theta?
Sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, I am replacing with sine 3 theta. Sine inverse gets cancelled. So we are getting 3 theta. Okay, so that means once observe the LHS and RHS, in LHS and RHS, both the cases we are getting 3 theta, 3 theta. Okay, from equation 2 and 3, so it is proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, 3 sine inverse x is equals to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, so hence it is proved.
Yes, sir.
Hence it is proved. Understood? Okay, so once look at this question. Okay, so prove 3 cos inverse x is equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Here x belongs to 1 by 2 comma 1. Okay, so here what we have to prove here? 3 cos inverse x is equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, so in this, okay, so here consider, let I am taking x is equal to cos theta. Okay,
Yes,
what
sir.
we have to take, ma?
Let x be cos theta.
Yes. Okay, now what is LHS here? LHS is equals to 3 into cos inverse x. That means 3 into cos inverse of x. What is x here? Cos theta.
Cos theta.
Okay, here cos and cos inverse cancel. So we get 3 theta. We get 3 theta. Okay, so here we substituted x is equal to cos theta here.
Yes,
So
sir.
since we used the equation 1, since equation 1 we used here. Okay,
Yes,
now I am taking the RHS. What is RHS, ma?
cos
inverse of,
inverse
yes,
4x cube minus 3x.
yes. Okay, so now I am going to substitute here. I am going to substitute 4 into x
4
cube.
cos cube theta.
Yes, very good. 4 cos cube theta minus 3x.
3 cos theta.
Very good. Okay, here also we have a formula, ma. So cos 3 theta is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the cos 3 theta formula. Repeat the formula once again, ma.
Cos theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus cos
3
theta.
3 cos theta. Okay, so once again, ma.
Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta.
Yes. Okay, so cos inverse of 4 into cos cube minus 3 cos theta, we can write it as cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that means what is the value here? 3 theta.
3 theta.
3 theta. In LHS, we are getting the 3 theta. and RHS also getting the 3 theta. LHS is equals to RHS.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Hence,
True.
okay, so the required answer 3 cos inverse x is equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
is proved. Is proved. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so similar way. Okay, so once we have the next question here. Prove that tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 is equals to tan inverse 1 by 2. Okay, so
Okay.
all these questions are very, very important. So for even first question, second question, as the third question is very, very important. Most important concept this is.
Okay.
Okay, so now I am taking the LHS here. I am taking the LHS. What is LHS, ma?
Tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24.
Yes. Okay, so we have a formula, ma. We have a formula here. So here the formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is the formula we are going to use here. Okay, so just repeat the formula once again, ma. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay,
Yes.
so how to remember this a little bit easily means, okay, so you can remember the basic formula, ma. Tan a plus b. Do you know the tan a plus b formula?
No, sir.
Okay, so tan a plus b formula, it is like tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b.
Tan
This
B.
is the basic formula. Okay, so from the tan a plus b, basic trigonometric formula. Okay, so like this we have sin a plus b, cos a plus b formula also. Okay, so now we are going to use just this formula is like this. This formula is like this. Okay,
Yes.
so just application. If you link the formula, then it is easy to remember. Then it is easy to remember. So what is the formula here? Once again, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Repeat once again, ma. What is the
Tan
formula?
inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy.
Very good. Once again, last.
Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy.
Yes. Okay. Here the tan inverse of x plus y. What is x here? X is 2 by 11 plus y is 7 by 24. X plus y whole divided by 1 minus xy. Okay. So x means 2 by 11 and y is 7 by 24. 7 by 24. Okay. Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay.
Yes.
Now tan inverse of take the LCM, 11 into 24. What is 11 into 24?
$264.
264. Okay, so I think I gave you one technique for you, right, on this. Okay, so for example, any number multiplying by 11 means write that number as it is. Write the number as it is and add those two numbers and write in the middle. 2 plus 4 is 6. That is the only answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here any number multiplying by 11 means, once again I am repeating. So first write the number as it is. Gives some gap between the numbers. Okay, add those two numbers and write in the middle. 2 plus 4 is 6. 264 is the, okay, so multiplication of 11 into 24. 11 into 24 is 264. Now 24 into 2. What is 24 into 2? 48 plus 11 into 7, that is 77 whole divided by whole divided by, here 11 and 24 is, okay, so 264, and LCM is 264. 264 into 1 is 264, minus 2 7 times is 14.
Yes.
Okay, in both the denominators, we have 264, 264. We can cancel the 264. We can
Yes, sir.
cancel the 264. So what we get here? What we get?
How did you get? How did you solve the denominator, sir?
Denominator. So if you want, you can write one more step here. Tan inverse of. Okay. So taking the LCM here, 11 into 24, that is 264. Okay. So 2 into 24. Okay. Here we multiply these two and these two. Okay. So means 11 24 times is 264. We multiply by 24. This 2 we multiply by 24. This 7 we multiply by 11. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
I'm asking the denominator.
Denominator. If you take the denominator also, okay. So 1 minus here LCM. Here these two are in the multiplication. Both the fractions are in the multiplication. So multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. 2
We
7
can't
times is
cancel,
14.
sir.
2 7 times 14 and 11 into 24. 11 into 24, that is 264. Okay. Now we take the LCM for this denominator fraction. Okay, separately. This 1 and 14 by 264. I am taking the LCM now. Okay.
Sir, we can't cancel 2 and 24.
2 and
24.
this 2 and this 24.
No, down denominator. In multiplication.
2 and 24 we can cancel. Okay, so we can cancel. But the thing is, here if we keep like that, then easily we can simplify. This simplification becomes easy for us.
Yes.
Okay, that's why better to keep it like that. Otherwise, if you want to, even you can cancel. Okay, even if you cancel also, you will get the same answer. Okay, no change in the answer. Okay, but here the purpose of keeping like that means we can cancel the denominator so that we can simplify only the numerator part. That's enough. Okay, so now tan inverse of 48 and 77. How much more? Okay, so 40 and 70, 110 and 15, 125. Okay, so that means tan inverse of this is equals to tan inverse of 125 divided by, okay, so what we have in the denominator, 264 minus 14, that is 250. That is 250.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can we cancel 125 one time, 125 two times is 250.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means what is the answer here? This
Tan
is
inverse 1 by
equals to tan inverse of 1 by 2. What we want, check it once. Okay, here we want the RHS as tan inverse of 1 by 2 only. Is it the required RHS?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is equals to the required RHS. We took the LHS and getting the RHS. Okay, hence, okay, so what is the final answer? Okay, write the final answer. Tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, is proved. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once we'll look at the one more question here. So prove 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equals to tan inverse of 31 divided by 70. Okay, if you take this question, okay, so in this question, first I am going to simplify the first part. Okay, so we have to okay, simplify the first part separately. So here, taking the LHS. What is LHS here? 2 into tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. 1 by 7. Okay, so in the first part, if you observe carefully, it is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2. So for this, we have a formula. Okay, so 2 into tan inverse theta is equals to, it is like a tan 2 theta. What is tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta. So tan 2 theta is nothing but, here tan 2 theta is tan theta plus theta. So here tan A plus B. In the A plus B formula only, if you write theta plus theta, that is 2 theta. So 2 theta means tan theta, A also theta, B also theta, A also theta, B also theta. Tan theta with plus tan theta 2, tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta, tan square theta. So finally tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. That is the basic formula. From the basic formula, we derive the inverse formula. 2 tan inverse theta is equals to tan inverse of, okay, 2 theta divided by 1 minus theta square. 1 minus theta square. Okay. Or if you write x, we write the x. Okay. So what is the basic formula for this? What is the basic formula? Tan 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. These are the basic formula here. Okay. Now, just repeat the formula once again. 2 tan inverse x theta is equals to tan inverse of 2 theta by 1 minus theta square. Just repeat once
2
again.
tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse 2 theta by 1 minus theta square.
Okay. So what is tan 2 theta? This is basic formula. This is also important. If you remember the basic formula, so that it is easy to remember. Okay. Inverse formula is easy to remember.
Yes,
okay. But repeat once again the tan 2 theta formula. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta.
Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta.
Yes. Okay, this formula we are going to apply in the first part, only first term. For the first term, we have we have to simplify. That means tan inverse of 2 into theta or x, here 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 minus theta square or x square, 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Or if you want, you can write it as x also. If you want, okay, so you can write the theta. Okay, so you can replace the theta with x. Okay, so that means 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse of, okay, so 2x divided by 1 minus x square.
Okay,
1 minus x square. Okay, so here what is in place of x? In place of x we have 1 by 2. In place of x we have 1 by 2. Okay, so I substituted here. And what about the second term? As it is, tan inverse of 1 by 7, I am writing as it is. Okay, so now this is equals to tan inverse of, here if you want, you can cancel this 2 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here you can cancel, or otherwise you can keep it like that. Okay, so after cancellation, what is remaining here? Okay, so 1 is as it is, 1 minus, here 1 by 2 whole square. What is 1 by 2 whole square, ma? 1 by 4 it is. Okay,
Yes,
plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. 1 by 7. Now take the LCM. Take the LCM. Tan inverse of 1 divided
4
by
by 3 it will become
4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Okay, so we get the 3 by 4. So if you take it to numerator, we get 4 by 3.
Yes.
Reciprocal. Okay, so tan inverse of this becomes tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of, okay, so 1 by 7, right? Tan inverse of, okay, whenever we take the fraction to numerator, so we have to take the reciprocal.
Yes.
Take the reciprocal. Okay, so tan inverse 1 by 7 I am writing as it is. Okay, now the formula again. Okay, what is the formula, ma? Whatever
tan inverse 4 by
tan
3
inverse
plus
x plus
1 by 7 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7.
Very good. Tell me the formula once. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y
is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy.
Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay. So now I am going to use the formula. I am going to apply. What is x here? In place of x we have?
Sir, in
Yes,
place of x, it's 4 by 3.
4 by 3. Okay, so that means the tan inverse of x, x means 4 by 3 plus y. What is y? Is 1 by 7 whole divided by 1 minus x. X is 4 by 3 and y. What is y? 1 by 7. 1 by 7. Okay,
Yes.
so now this becomes tan inverse of LCM 3 into 7. Okay, 21 is the LCM. Okay, so 3 7 times, so multiply by 7. 4 7 times is 28. 3 1 time is 3 whole divided by, here also like previous problem,
Yes.
3 7 times is 21 LCM. 21 1 time is 21 minus 4 1 time 4. So that here you can cancel the
31
denominator
by
21 21. Okay, so we can cancel, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so now what is remaining, ma? Here this becomes tan inverse of 28 plus 3, 31 divided by 21 minus 4. How much? 17.
Yes.
Okay, what we have to prove? 30 tan inverse of 31 by 17. Is it the required RHS?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means this is only the required RHS. Required RHS. Okay, hence. Okay, so what is proved, ma? So 2 into tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equals to, okay, is equals to tan inverse of 31 by 17. Proved. Hence it is proved. Understood, ma?